I am boxing the Seaoura SR-666 or 666 42 watt today. Personally, I love Seaoura products. I use them all the time. Haven't tried this one though, so let's take a look and see what it looks like. We'll give it a quick unboxing and demo it here, just real quick on the floor. And I'll give you my first thoughts. All right, first off, so just like most lights you get, look here, looks very nice. It's a 3-foot model. I believe they make 2, 3, and 4-foot models. Here are your LEDs, very nice. It comes with your standard clips to put on, I'll show you here. The outside, these are your mounts that you would mount on the side of your tank. You don't need to use them. It does make it convenient though if you have a standard size tank. If not, you just hang the light or build your own mount. But if you have a standard tank like most people, these work just fine. Personally, we hang most of ours, but this is how it would go. It would go right on the lip of your tank, hang down just like that, all right? This is gonna be, actually first off, it comes with a user manual. And the great thing about this is it's smart. So you're gonna have all sorts of different settings. You're gonna be able to do different light spectrums, different timing, how long you want the light on. I believe this one also has a 24/7 setting, which is great. It will imitate the day. It comes with your battery right here. All right, guys, I am back with it all plugged in, ready to go. Very simple here. You're gonna hit your power button, maybe hold it. Oh, it's having me do settings right now. Hold on, let's figure this out. There we go. Here's your power. Here's your different color spectrums. Very simple. You just hit the power button to scroll through them, just like so. You can make your tank all sorts of different colors. This is a very bright light, I'm noticing right off the bat. There are a lot of lumens, so if you have plants at the bottom of your tank, this is going to work excellent to get those to grow. It's bright. If you are growing aquatic plants, this is the best spectrum to grow them. This is full spectrum. However, if you want your tank to look like something else like that, perfectly fine. You can do all of it. And again, it's in the instruction manual, but you'll see, here's your brightness, by the way. There's a plus and minus for brightness. You just keep doing that. I'm gonna turn it down just so I can see. But there are different modes. Again, you can set it, in this screen shows your different times. You set your time, and then you can set how long you want the light on. And again, I believe there's also a 24/7 as well. All right, guys, I think that's gonna do it for now. I like this light. I can tell it is very solid. It's actually a lot better than some of your cheaper lights that are out there from bigger name brands. This is very solid. It's not flimsy at all. All right, that's gonna do it on this one, guys. Hope it helped.